It's Halloween today, and I'm going to make a brew. Not a witch, don't practice Wicca, nothing like that. I just love herbs, and I thought this would be fun. I'm expecting trick-or-treaters today, and I have candy for them, but I wanted to have something for the grown-ups. Something that would be strengthening, something that would be helping them to be patient and calm, something that would be soothing without being sedating, something that would taste great. So here's my cauldron, and I'm going to be putting these herbs into there. Basically what we're doing here is making a decoction, which is making a brewed tea out of some of the components that are ones that need to be extracted for longer or with more heat. My name is Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist, herbalist, and holistic health expert, as well as a sound practitioner. I'm here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. So you do not have to use these same ingredients. You could experiment with a lot of different things, but here's how I'm going to do it. First, I'm adding whole cinnamon sticks and whole star anise because I like the sacred geometry in the anise, and the cinnamon sticks, I like them better than doing the powdered cinnamon. Marshmallow root is an example of a substance that is better decocted. As you can see, it's more woody. It takes more time to extract out of that. I'm going to put a handful of this in as well. So there you can see that, and then the rest of the herbs we're actually going to grind together in a mortar and pestle. By the way, if you like this, think it's cool, make sure you follow, give me a like, and add yourself to my mailing list so you can stay in the loop. I have a couple sales going for Halloween, 25% off of my aromatherapy courses and fall session of the Intuitive and Seasonal Living Academy with code BOO, and $5 off my online sound baths on demand subscription through my website. Also code BOO, and you can find the links for that in my bio. Adding some orange peel. That's for flavor, and orange is also supposed to bring us luck and prosperity and money. A small amount of Damiana for moods. It's a little bit of an aphrodisiac. Hawthorn as a heart opener and heart tonic. Crushing and grinding. Breaking it down a little bit. Not a ton. You don't have to do a lot here. Into the pot with that. Tulsi is an adaptogenic herb. Helps give us strength and adapting to stress. By the way, you can get these herbs through Mountain Rose Herbs. There's a link in my bio for that as well. A little bit more ground up, and that's in there now. Rose is a very delicate ingredient, not one that I normally decoct. This time I'm doing it for energetic purposes, so I am going to add it now. Rose is soothing and calming. Now this is going to get covered with water and sit in the heat for a couple hours. Use good purified water. You could add honey to sweeten that if needed, but you don't have to. And as you serve it, you just strain out the herbs. This kind of strainer. Stirring it and putting it on high to be ready for my parents. Happy Halloween!